Okay. Corey is on fire today. Chris Rock, you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger, y'all, man. So we traded with our 50K My Funded Futures eval. We made profit on that. And I wasn't supposed to get rebilled until next month with a 50K take profit trader. We ended up getting something from somebody, y'all. I didn't expect this. We traded and made profit with that. I'm going to show you, but here's what happened.
All right, let's do one more time. One more for the stream, and then I gotta bounce. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 39. Who has 39? Yo, Corey the Phone Trader. Corey the Phone Trader.
Well, I didn't expect that. So I was in his live stream yesterday, and he was doing a giveaway, and he told everybody to pick numbers and stuff, and my number happened to be 39. That's how old I am. So I was like, nah, let me pick 39. So as soon as I clicked on the stream, I had to get off because I had to get back to work. And then as soon as I got off work, I had to go pick up my little girl. And so I didn't think nothing of it. I'm like, it's been a while since I won. I'm not going to win now. So I ended up going into Pine Tree Trader. Shout out to him too. I ended up going into Pine Tree Trader live stream. And shout out to you, the Sports Don. Shout out to you, man. He let me know in Pine Tree's chat that I had won a free account. I'm like, I won an account? I'm like, you sure? So I ended up going back and watching the stream, and I won. So I had a choice between a 50K Trade Day account, 50K Take Profit Trader account, and some Apex accounts. I really don't know too much about Trade Day. I kind of know them, but then I don't. I just went with what I'm comfortable with. So we have a 50K Take Profit Trader free account, and I do plan on letting my other 50K Take Profit Trader account rebuild. So guys, guess how many accounts I got? So I have one straight to funded Traderify account. I have My Funded Futures 50K eval account. I have a 50K Take Profit Trader account that I won from 0 Day J. Shout out to him. I also have a 50K Take Profit Trader account that's going to get rebuilt next month. Guys, I also bought 2 Funding Ticks 50K eval accounts. So I planned on having 5. I had planned on having 1 straight to funded and 4 evals. Now I have 1 straight to funded and 5 evals because of the free Take Profit Trader account. I didn't know I was going. That came out of nowhere. So guys, I got 6 accounts. I gotta make this count. No explanation, dog. We gotta get these dubs and these wins, man. We gotta stick to what we know. But today I took a trade on the My Funded Futures 50K and this new 50K Take Profit Trader account. I did not trade supply and demand today. I went off flags, wedges, and trend lines today, y'all. And it played out well, man, on micro NASDAQ. So we're going to go to the phone right quick. The 2 phones that I traded from today at my job. If anybody, I can't do it, man. It's so hard. I'm out here doing it. If I can do, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you, man. It can be done. You just got to do it, man. Hey, man, I'm telling myself, hey, these cats ain't finna pay my bills, man. You gonna help pay my bills? Well, shh, be quiet. I don't need you to do shh, be quiet. I'm gonna trade at my job. If I got to on the sales floor, I will walk off the sales floor. You know what I'm saying? So I can lock in and tap in, move my stop losses and all that type of stuff. But hey, it gotta be done, man. So I'm gonna take you to the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra cell phones right over here. All right, guys, we're going to go on the 1 hour time frame on micro NASDAQ, man. Just to make it self-explanatory, this is the major blue trend line that I had drawn out. I took this trade early this morning about 7 or 8 o'clock, man, and I stayed in. It kind of bounced around a little bit, and this is the trend line, wedge, and flag trade. Shout out to my coaches, Connor and Stephanie, man. This is the strategy that they told me about. So the market could very well bounced off this trend line and this flag and stopped me out and then came back down or went the other way. I just took a chance on this flag, man, on a 1 hour time frame. My chance was, you know what? It tapped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. On the 6th time, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna just take a chance. And boy, did this trade play out, man, on this flag. Going to the downside, man. This was I risked $250 on this trade. I didn't want to go crazy on a Friday. I was like, you know what? I'm only aiming for about a 1 to 2. I just want to make $500 in these accounts to end the week good, man. I had a decent week so far. It's been all right. I want to end it better on a Friday, man. And I seen a perfect setup. This looked like every bit of a bear flag going to the downside, man. So I got in right where you see my positioning at. And I say, you know what? I'm just going to take a chance and get in with a 25-point stop loss. And as soon as I got in, it played around for a little bit. And then that joker finally took off, man. And as you guys can see, I could have held for way more. But I told you I just wanted my little $500 and be out the market, man. So I got in right at the bottom of this candle, the trend line, and that joker took off. Now, I was aiming at this 200 EMA. Normally, it loves to bounce off the 200 EMA. And it did just a little bit, not that much. But I was just aiming for that 1 to 2, like I said. And I just kept trailing it, kept coming down, trailing it. And then I finally moved my stop loss somewhere in there where that 200 EMA is. And it came and stopped me out. And I made profit, man. Simple setup. I'm just going to keep it plain and simple. Beautiful flag going to the downside, man. So this was a Take Profit Trader account, free from Zero Day J. Shout out to him again. And we made $580 on that trade. That was a good dub. That was a good trade, man. So now we're going to My Funded Futures. Now, this is the same market that I just took this trade on. So after I had made profit on this trade, man, after I had made profit on this, I said, you know what? I believe that this thing is going to continue down. As you guys can see, it came down. Then you got a green candle going to make up some gaps. And then it came down again. Then you had a green candle coming back up to make some gaps. And then it came down again. So after me seeing it come down, come up, come down, come up. After you see that repeatedly, I said, you know what? This thing, first it came down, came up, came down, came up. I was looking for it to go down again. So right where you see these wicks at, I wanted to get right after that second red candle, it went down. And then you'll see that the market came back up a little bit, this long wick. And I said, you know what? This is a perfect position right here. It came and touched this liquid zone right up there with both of these wicks right here. That gave me indication that it possibly wanted to go down. It came and tapped these little wicks right here, and then it started going down. I said, that looks like this, down, up, down. So I was like, you know what? Down, up, down, up, down. It's gonna go down again, so let me get in. And guys, I just went in. I went in heavy, man. I said, you know what? I'm just going to go for a $300. I'm going to go for about a $300 profit. And so I can get this account at $1,500. The last time you seen this account, I had this account at $51,100 and some change. I wanted to get it at an even $1,500. So that's why you see these two trades. I took one trade, this positioning that you see, and then I ended up moving my stop loss too slow. And so I was just trying to trail it. I moved it too slow, and then I had the account at $51,483. Y'all, I was petty. I'm not gonna lie. I said I want to see the account at $1,500, not $1,483. I was being petty. Should I have not traded and just left with the profits? Yes. But my petty self wanted to see the freaking account at $1,500. I was petty over a measly $17, $18. Somewhere in there, man. That was so dumb and so petty, man. I should have just left it alone, but I didn't. So I ended up taking a small little trade. I took one micro going to the downside, and I ended up making an extra little profit. That was stupid. That could have ended real bad, and I got to fix that. But nevertheless, that was the trade I took, man. These were two beautiful trades, man. This trade and this trade. So now we have the account. As you guys can see, there was a $354.40 two trades. Made good profit on the eval of the My Funded Futures, $51,504.80, man. This was a good setup, y'all. Picture perfect, beautiful setups. Man, Good Friday, man. Good Friday, ending the week on some beautiful trades, man. So that's all I got, man. I only traded with two accounts. I didn't want to trade with my new Funding Ticks accounts until next week. Just wanted to get my feet wet with this Take Profit Trader account, and then I wanted to get my Funded Futures account at $1,500. So we still have our straight to funded. I haven't seen a good supply and demand setup with on the 5-minute time frame with that straight to funded account. So I'm leaving it alone. I'm only trading A++ setups with that account because I only have a $1,000 drawdown. So, and that's a 25K account. So we have to be smart with that account. If I don't see an A++ setup with that, I'm not taking it. So guys, we got, again, I'm gonna recap. We got a 25K straight to funded account from Traderfy. We have a My Funded Futures 50K eval. We have a Take Profit Trader 50K eval, and that was a giveaway from 0 Day J. We have another 50K eval coming next month, well, next week rather, and then we have two Funding Ticks 50K evals, man. I've never had this many accounts, and I'm gonna have pretty much a phone for every account. So Traderfy, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, and Funding Ticks. So guess what, guys? Everybody know me. I'm the phone trader for a reason. You guys know. If you don't know, I have a phone that I'm going to use for each prop firm. Put it that way. I got literally 4 or 5 phones in here. And in order for me not to get confused and get stuff messed up, I'm going to have a phone for Traderfy. I'm going to have a phone for Take Profit Trader. I'm going to have a phone for My Funded Futures, and I'm going to have a separate phone for Funding Ticks. Call me crazy, but I'm so used to it, y'all. I just have to be careful when I have like 2 or 3 accounts with the same prop firm that I don't get the accounts mixed up. But as far as me trading different phones with prop firms, I have no problem with that, man. It's like my problem is the accounts. I have to pay attention to the account numbers. But you guys are seeing it full flesh, and you seeing it in real time, man. I'm finna show you guys how to do this. If anybody out there says you can't phone trade or you don't know what you're doing, I've recently got a payout for My Funded Futures doing this phone trading stuff, man. It can be done. I'm finna show y'all how I go crazy. I want to be different. I want to be set apart. I'm finna show everybody how you can do it, man. And I'm gonna have 4 phones trading with all these accounts, man. Yes, I will be pushing these evals over. I'm not going to be stupid about it. I'm going to be wise about the trades that I find. But we finna go ham. Because you know what our name is, Core the Phone Trader. And that's how we do it. And that's what we do over here, man. We trade from the cell phones. And I'm finna turn it up, baby. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Core the Phone Trader got coming out, y'all. Man, we turned up out here, baby. Good profit today. 1,000, wow, baby. Yes, sir. We out here getting it. The phone trader is in full effect. All my phone traders out there, hoorah! Yes, sir, baby. We out here doing it. People say we can't do it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. And you know the motto after every video. That's all I got, y'all. On the count of 3, you know what we do to end the video. In 3, 2, 1. Man, I holla. Peace out to all my phone traders out there. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's tap in, lock in. Let's do better. What can we do to make things better? Is keep our head in them charts, baby, and make sure we using proper risk management, the right strategy, discipline, not getting greedy. And if we maintain all 5 of these, we're gonna be successful, y'all. Y'all know what time it is, baby. Peace. Love y'all. Have a good weekend. I holla.